Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Roshmi from Kolkata. Today I am going to show you some printed silk along with check silk and silk ajrak. So let's start. Sari number 1, base material is check silk. This is all our broad check silk, as you know. I have shown last year also. So you know the material. This is as good as silk. Palla portion, sari number 1, palla portion with silk mark. Color is red and orange combination, mainly red. Orange gun spray is there. Here is the view. The material is check silk. I will show you with a very close look. See, this portion is check. Material is pure silk with silk mark certification. Here is the view of the sari. I will show you the entire view. See, this is the entire view of the sari. Sari number 1, price is 3350. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with orange and red gun spray and color discharge print. Sari number 1, price is 3350. Broad check silk with silk mark certification. Sari number 2, green color with scraped. I will show you the sari. Here is the view. Palla portion. It will come in the palla. This is the entire body. Here is the entire body. This is another check silk, broad check silk with silk mark certification. With silk mark certification. Here is the palla portion. This is the entire sari. Sari number 2, price is 3350. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the sari number. As you know, my number is 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 3, another broad check silk. This is Rani color with color discharge, blue color discharge print. Here is the palla portion. See the palla portion. This is the palla portion. Very pretty one. Rani color, base color is Rani with blue discharge print. See, here is the view. Price as usual 3350. These all are silk mark certified with a very good quality silk. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, subscribe and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. My booking number is 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. Price of the sari is 3350. Sari number 3. Moving to next sari, sari number 4. This is half and half concept. Palla portion. See the palla portion. This is the half body. It will be like this. And the rest half with red color and border. See, I will show you. This is the half sari. Half sari will be like this, and here is a draping view of the sari. Here is a draping view of the sari, palla portion, and the blouse of this sari is definitely red color. This is the blouse piece. Price 3350. Sari number 4. Here comes sari number 5, light peach color. This is peach color, very sweet and soothing color. Sorry. Here is the palla. See the palla portion. This is palla portion. The color is peach color with both side border and with a printed blouse. See, this is the color and the view of the sari, but the most interesting part of this sari is the printed blouse. I will show you the blouse piece. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is the view of the entire sari. See, this is the view. And here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 3350. Another one with purple and brown combination. This one is also very pretty. Palla portion. This is the body, entire body. See the entire body with gun spray and fish motif. But the sari, it looks very nice, very pretty one, and the material, as you know, those who have taken already know that the quality is very good, thick quality, and the price is 3350 with silk mark certification. With silk mark certification. Here is the view, broad check silk. This is sari number 5. No, this is sari number 6. This is sari number 6. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Here is the blouse piece. This printed part is the blouse piece. Sari number 6. Sari number 7. This is Patli Pallu concept with Kunchi Aanchal. Here is the Palla portion. Palla portion will be like this with gun spray and block print, discharge print. The body color, the front portion will be orange. The pleats portion will be like this with gun spray and discharge print. See the pleats portion. Here is the view of the entire sari. See, this is the view of the entire sari. Palla portion, this is the view, and here is the blouse piece. The front portion of this sari will be again this orange part. I will show you in this way so that you can understand. This from the beginning of the sari will be orange. This will come in the pleats portion. This will come in the pleats, and in the front this orange part will come, and the price of this sari is similar, 3350. Sari number 8, red and black combination, half and half. Very smart looking sari. See. Palla portion. Here is the Palla portion. This is the front portion. Half sari will be like this, front portion, and the half sari with red color. See, half sari will be like this with the border. I will show you the draping view. Here is the draping view. Palla portion. This black portion come in the front, and the rest of will be red with the border. And here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price 3350. Now, sari number 9. I will move to silk ajrak. I have shown you silk ajrak earlier also with a huge response and your support. I made it again, but very few pieces. Just have a look. These all are original ajrak print from Rajasthan with organic color. See, here is the Palla portion. The silk are Bishnupur silk. These all are Bishnupur silk. Palla portion. Here is the body. The color is green. Here is the body. This is the body. For booking, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp me on my number 9330866 384. See, here is the view. green color. This is green with black and red. Material is Bishnupur silk, palla portion, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price is 5250. Price is 5250. Sari number 10, ajrak print on black color, blue color. These all are with organic color. I repeat, these all are original ajrak print with organic color. See the palla portion. Material is Bishnupur silk. Here is the view. See the view. I will show you the design like this way. These all are from Rajasthan and these all are made with the organic color, and the price is 5250. See, here is the view. Here is the view, palla portion. This is the entire view. Price is 5250 with silk mark certification. Here is the palla portion, blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 10. Now sari number 11. Moving to sari number 11. Red color. This is also ajrak print in a different way. See, palla portion. Palla portion. And here is the view. See, what a pretty one. Here is the view. Color is red color. Here is the view. Price is 5250. 5250. These all are on Bishnupur silk original ajrak print with organic color. Price is 5250. Here is the blouse piece. All the silks are with silk mark certification. If you want to scan, you can get the registration number of Roshmi's from the silk mark certification. Another blue. See, this is powder blue with black combination. Palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the body. Here is the body. Price is 5250. Price is 5250. See, palla portion. This is the interview, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 5250. 5250. Material is Bishnupur silk. Sari number 13. This is orangish red. Orangish red color. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. See, here is the view of the entire sari. The price is 5250 with silk mark certification. See, this is the view of the entire sari. Material is Bishnupur silk. These all are ajrak print, are all made on Bishnupur silk with organic color. We deliver pan India through courier. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking, and shipping charges or delivery charges is absolutely free. There is no shipping charges, no delivery charges. Here is the blouse piece of this sari. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. Sari number 14. This is black color. Ajrak print, another ajrak print on black color. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. This is the body. This is the entire body. See, this is the interview of the sari. These all are on Bishnupur silk from Rajasthan with the organic color. Original Ajrak print with the organic color. Here is the palla portion. And this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 5250 with silk mark certification. Sari number 15, another blue color. This is brighter one. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. This is the entire body. Here is the entire body. See, just have a look. This is the view of the entire sari, palla portion. The price is 5250. Price is 5250 with silk mark certification, and here is the blouse piece. Sari number, this is sari number 15. Viewers, please share with your friends, and requesting all the new viewers to subscribe my channel. This is sari number 16. Now here is a printed silk, most demanding printed silk. Palla portion. The color is turquoise blue with a very authentic print, traditional print, and the quality, as you know, all our silks are silk mark certified. Here is the view of the entire sari. Sari number 16, price is 3550. Shipping charges or delivery charges is absolutely free all over India. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. I will show you the blouse piece also. See, here is the blouse piece. Sari number 16. Now moving to sari number 17. One yellow color with brown combination. See, here is the palla portion. From palla, this design will go diagonally. Half sari will be like this. Half sari will be like this, and the rest half with this yellow color and this diagonal design. See, here is the view. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is the blouse piece. Price is 3550. These all are with silk mark certification. Sari number 18. This is a white one. Let's see the sari. It is very pretty one. See, palla portion. Here is the palla portion. The entire body is like this. Blue, green and yellow combination. Here is the lower border and this is the upper border. The base color is white without any red and black. See the interview. The sari is, this sari is number 18. Price is 3550 with silk mark certification. Here is the palla and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 19. Sari number 19. Sari number 19. Palla portion. I have shown you this design earlier, but that was with royal blue and this one is with purple color. See, the base color is purple and the price is as usual 3550. All the silk are Silk Mark certified with a heavy quality. As you know, those who have taken the quality, please give the feedback. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel. My contact number or booking number is 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Sari number 20. Sari number 20. Palla portion. See the palla portion. Then here is the view. The base color is deep brown or deep chocolate with Rani and orange combination. See, the entire sari is similar, but it looks very smart one. Here is the view. Here is the view of the sari, and the price is 3550. Price is 3550. See the palla portion. All the silks are Silk Mark certified. For booking, you can call or WhatsApp 9330866384. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Sari number 21. This is sari number 21. This is another soft color. Palla portion. This is palla portion and entire body with this traditional print with a very sober look. See, here is the view, and the price is 3550. Price is 3550. See, this is the view, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Next one, another pretty one, sari number 22. This is sari number 22. This is a shade of green, very lighter shade of green. Let's see the color combination. Very unusual combination. Very unusual. This is very unusual color, palla portion. And see the entire sari. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is green, very light sort of green, and the price 3550. See, with the Silk Mark certification. Here is the view. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the sari number. For all my new viewers, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Here is the blouse piece. Next one, sari number, this is sari number 23. 23. Palla portion. Palla portion. Here is the body. The body is light pink color, very light pink color with a shaded, this sari is with a shaded body. You can easily understand. I don't know whether it is clear in the camera or not, but I am showing you. See, here is the view. Here is the view of the sari. Price is 3550, palla portion. And here is the blouse. This is the blouse piece. Price 3550, sari number 23. Sari number 24. Sari number 24. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. This sari is also with gun spray, orange, green and brown gun spray. with discharge print. Here is the view of the entire sari. This is the view of the entire sari. Palla portion. This is the entire look of the sari, and the price is 3550 as all the silk are Silk Mark certified. Here is the blouse piece. Viewers, I have shown you 24 silk sarees. If you want to book, please take a screenshot or mention the saree number and send it back to my number 9330866384. We deliver pan India through courier. Delivery charges or shipping charges is absolutely free. You have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. COD facility is available only within Kolkata. My contact number 9330866384. Thank you.